span yan. In case na naka-on ang inyong flight compartment light, ano mangyari pag ginawa natin battery? Yes sir. Ano natin? Sige sir. Okay. See? 3, 2, 4, energized. So energize systems natin. Battery in the discharge. And then IESI energized. Yung ating landing gear lights from what MFC MFC 1 Alpha. Okay. And then CRC test MCView number 1 mabubuhay. And kung naka-on to dome light